Good morning, class. How are you? Okay, welcome to our Pretechnical studies lesson under the substrand of what? Self-exploration and what? Career development. So when we talk about self-exploration, it means discovering what? Your own interests, strengths, and what you enjoy doing. So it is learning about yourself to make better choices for your future. And those better choices, or they depend on what? What you like doing. And when you talk about the better choices, it means what you expect or what you are likely to pursue in the future in terms of career. Now, self-exploration is necessary for career development because, one, it helps you to understand what? Who you are, what you enjoy, and what you are good at. Are we together? Number two, this knowledge is important because it guides you in choosing what? A career that makes you happy and successful. Now, I have come up with a way of exploring yourself for career development. We have three letters that I've used, which is what? VISA. V stands for what? Values. I stands for interest. S stands for strength. And S stands for what? Area of improvement. So when you talk about values, identify your career values. And the examples of the values, we have one: creativity, integrity, achievement, collaboration, leadership, and accountability. There are so many values. So when we talk about creativity, it means maybe you have pursued a certain career and you have been employed. You have to come up with what? Innovative way to make that company more successful. That means you are creative. Integrity. You do work with what? Being what? Honesty. There is no issue of corruption. Are you getting it? So that is about what? Integrity. Achievement. You need to set your goals and target. After a certain period of time, what does the company achieve? That is about what? Achievement. Collaboration. Collaboration is only about what? Teamwork. When you are working in a working environment, most of the time you will experience what? You will have what? Your workmates. Are you together? And you know, for us to get the end product, it has series of stages. We have the raw materials input until we get the final product. All this process, they have what? Different people working at different stages or departments. So you need to collaborate with them to have what? The end product. Then you also have the leadership. Leadership. Mark, if you are a leader, you are a supervisor in that department, how are you supposed to guide your fellow workers? So if you have those skills, that one is about what? Leadership. Accountability. You are able to account for everything in terms of purchase, in terms of asset and abilities. When we come to interest, explore your interest or hobbies. Examples of interest. We have those who like painting, drawing, fashion design, cooking. What about you? Mahat, what do you like? Being a pastoralist or what? So, okay, those are what? The interest. Then when we talk about strengths, these are what? Core skills. Core skills. Example of the core skills, one is what? Leadership, experience, effective communication. And we know in a working environment, communication is very vital, isn't it? Because we have what? The flow of information from the top management to the low level. And then also sometimes information can flow from what? The low level up to the top management. So it is very, very important. Then we also have problem solving ability. In case the company has a crisis and you are the manager, how are you supposed to do? You need to devise way of what? Handling that crisis in a proper manner. Are we together? And then the last part is what? Area of improvement. So you identify skills and values you can improve. Are we together? So these are what? The 4 letters are the guideline for what? Self-exploration and what? Career development. The first one is what? V, which is for values. I is for interest. S is for strengths. A is for area of improvement. Any question?